Welcome to MarineMax Cross Lake. Today we have a 2025 Barletta 23 UC Lusso Tritoon for sale. This boat has 30-some demo hours on it. It is a brand new boat, but it has been used on the water this past summer here at a dealership. So we threw on some fresh Vantage wrap here on the tunes. As you can see, some of them have already oxidized, and that happens with any new pontoon, but we just added this so that you get a little bit of an upgrade for the hours that are on it. It's already had its break-in services, so this boat is ready to go. It's winterized, and that's all included in the sale here at MarineMax in Cross Lake. Starting in the back, we have our expansive swim platform area. This has the ghost mount system. So what Barletta did was partnered with Lily Pad Marine Products. They added this ghost mount system into their new Barletta Lussos, so you can add a barbecue, a diving board, a large flagpole, or some other accessories. It's just easy plug and play system here in the back. We have an anchor locker. This has a bilge, so it will pump itself out. If you put some wet gear in here, don't have to worry about draining it out later or leaving it open to dry. This will automatically bail itself out. We have a stereo remote here in the back, and then some transom speakers in the back too. So when you're hanging out on the sandbar and you're not even in the boat yet, you can still control the tunes while everyone's hanging out in the water behind the boat. This is powered by a Mercury 250 outboard motor, lots of get up and go for water sports. We have a Lily Pad Revo ladder here in the back for easy boarding for people who want a little bit better accessibility as they're boarding, or for pets who have a hard time getting up on traditional pontoon ladders. This is a really great upgrade that they automatically install into all of their new Barlettas. And of course, we have a large ski tow bar here in the back, so you can do your wakeboarding, skiing, or tubing right off the back of the boat. It's already ready to go, and it's really stable. Entering the boat, we have a large ultra lounger system. This has highly convertible backrests, so you can do a number of configurations facing the front of the boat, facing off the back, hanging out, lounging in the sun, or you can do a back-to-back seating configuration to have more of like a chair layout. This has the safety gate, so you don't have to worry about pets or kids running off the back of the boat when it's underway. We also have these chain stanchions, so when you're facing the back of the boat towards the motor and your boat is in motion, this makes it legal to face the rear of the boat while it's underway here in Minnesota, keeping you safe and compliant on the water. We have side-by-side captain's chairs here at the midship. They are reclining, they have armrests, they'll swivel around to face each other here in the cockpit so you have a more social environment, but then you have the side-by-side his and hers chairs for when it's just the two of you cruising across the lake. This has the digital throttle shift and active trim control, so if you're new to boating on a pontoon and you're not sure how to trim the motor to just get on the best plane possible, even with different water chop and weather conditions, you just press that active trim. It automatically trims the motor where it needs to be to get you back on plane. That's a super convenient feature, and it's already built into this Lusso. As you can see, we have RGB lighting. This elevates your evening experience. It's in the cup holders and the speakers. And also next to the cup holders, we have a USB charging receptacle for your phone. So you can keep your phone plugged in all day, take all the pictures you want, and still have it charged for dinner after your boating day is done. There's a hidden wastebasket here in the front as well. It's really easy to take out. There's a full door, so you don't have to worry about asking anybody to get up out of their seat when you need to throw something away. It's right there with its own door. And here in the bow, we also have flip-up armrests, just adding to your comfort here on the Lusso. And Barletta did not forget about your pets. We have an integrated pet dish system, and we also have this pop-up table that doubles as a pet shade. When it's time for your pets to take a break, you just open up their food and water dish, and they have a nice view out of these doggy dock view doors to still see the action on the water so that they don't get motion sick when they're on the boat with you enjoying their boating day as well. Come see this boat for yourself at MarineMax in Cross Lake. Bring your family. It's rated for up to 14 people. We can't wait to meet you and help you get ready for boating season 2026 in northern Minnesota.